Enterprise remote data access and sharing is critical today. With the growing remote workforce, more mobile devices, and more data needing remote accessibility, the cloud has been the only option. But you have more data than you can sync to the cloud. And public, private, and EFSS clouds are expensive. Plus, the cloud has real issues of data residency, privacy, security, file duplication, and auditability. So what do? You leave the cloud. Choose an enterprise-grade NAS from ASUSTOR with FileFlex Enterprise. Combined with the internet, you, my friend, have a very powerful team. Okay, here's how. First, you have all your corporate storage. Whether it's on your ASUSTOR, a network server, server-attached storage, other network-attached storage, or employees' computers, it could be on any device, on any network, in any location or any city, globally. When you add an ASUSTOR NAS with FileFlex Enterprise, you can securely access any file on that storage from anywhere in the world without uploading, downloading, or using the cloud. With FileFlex software, your employees use any smartphone, tablet, or remote computer to securely share, access, stream, collaborate, or manage 100% of your data over the internet directly from source locations on your ASUSTOR NAS or any corporate storage device on your network. Yes, right from where the files are stored. It works with Microsoft Active Directory, LDAP, and device permissions to enable secure sharing and access in and out of the company in an encrypted private tunnel without opening any new ports. All data stays behind your firewall. FileFlex is a highly secure hybrid peer-to-peer software-only solution with the benefits of the emerging blockchain trend, content security, and privacy. And FileFlex provides a real-time audit trail of who, what, and when files have been downloaded, accessed, and shared. This is perfect for organizations that must meet global demands for privacy regulations, compliance, and data residency. No extra people, no upfront costs, and it easily deploys in just a couple of hours. You never need to copy, duplicate, or sync files to third parties or secondary locations. Welcome to the next generation. ASUSTOR with FileFlex. From behind the firewall, securely access, share, collaborate, and stream all your important files from source locations, anywhere, anytime, on any device, and change the way you work forever.